Slippery. Slippery. Look at that. The snakes, the lollies, so that we're gonna eat it later. She found out. She's biting it. So there goes our survival food. We're not gonna survive this 2-hour hike. Look at that. She's happy right now. She's eating. How is it?
Ako really pwede isulti.
Unsa man?
Ma'am.
Unsa man?
Hindi ka pwede.
Okay. So yeah, there she goes. She's happy now. Let's go. Yeah, that's it. So that's 240 steps to the falls. Let's go. We're heading out. A stairway here. Yeah, one of the things that differs from hiking back in the Philippines and here is that in the Philippines there's no clear pathway. People try to trailblaze sometimes. Sometimes the trailway is destroyed. In here, especially for tourist spots like national parks, they put stairs on it. And these stairs are not what you call this, invasive, or they're just as much as possible to make it subtle. It's not going to affect the environment. So that's cool. Especially the roads outside. Some of them are unpaved roads, unsealed roads. So it makes it good for the wildlife. Some places there's sealed roads because it's a bit uphill and it might be dangerous. Whoa, these rocks are so big. Whoa. Let's take a photo.
Beautiful.
Wow. Awesome, man. Awesome. Wow.
Yung grabe.
So how was it? Oh yeah, it's nice. Hi everyone, this is Mikel here, your good buddy, traveler, adventurer, feeler, whatever. I'm here at the Rainbow Falls at blackdown tableland. Fine, let's do it again. Hi, I'm here at blackdown tableland and I'm on the rainbow serpent. No, fuck. Hi there, I'm on the blackdown. Hi there, I'm on the blackdown tableland, and shouldn't say that. I'm still here at blackdown, and I'm here at the Rainbow Falls. And as you can see, the falls is amazing. In front of the falls is a swimming hole, which is awesome. We're just too cold today, so we're just enjoying the view now. And I realized that looking into the falls here, you can see that there's somewhat of a rainbow. So as soon as the water drops, there are rainbow droplets there. So yeah, looks amazing, looks good, and yeah. Oh, the boulders up there, you can check. That's the top of the falls out there. So yeah, this place is really awesome. I enjoy staying here. We stayed here for a little while, and just because the place is so nice, I had to take out the A6500 to get good audio, because I know it's gonna mess up the audio if I'm gonna be using the other camera. But yeah, this is awesome. We're gonna look for the hole. Whoa, that's nice. Look at that. I'll take a photo of you there. Okay, hold on. So there's a nice rock here. It looks like a cathedral rock, but I have no idea what it's about. It's just so nice. I'm getting a footage here. So come on, follow me. Out here, you can see the outside. My stuffs are there, so you can just pass by there. That's it.
Picture it because it's really nice.
Huh? Okay.
Dapat okay ni. Ano kung makabot ka sa cave or di na ka mag-cave?
Sige.
Okay.
Let's go. Muna. Here. Goodbye, beautiful falls. Goodbye. You're awesome. What a beauty indeed. But we have to go. We have to move on. Yeah. So again, I was thinking a lot of B-rolls for this part of the trip. But when you're there, when you're in the falls, you just want to go wild and take photos and everything. So far this trip has been very good. Weather's not hot. We thought it was so cold, but it was great. Can you just maybe stay here? I'll get one photo of you here. It's okay. I'll do it now. 1 second.
Yesterday